Welcome to Santa Cruz.
831, 831, 831.
Santa Cruz, Santa Cruz, Santa
Yeah,
Cruz.
Santa Cruz before long. We in the wall, California sun. Santa Cruz.
Real trap shit.
187 emission, I ride, never this
Trap shit.
not for lying.
Where you from, homie? From the southern you been the wrong side, and your life will be this wrong. Where you from, homie? I'm from the southern you been the wrong side, and your life will be
Real trap shit.
I live and die for watch some real shit. We gave the birth. I live and die for watch some real shit.
White world, so I slang like two bitches wanna fuck tonight. I can't on them, they get my chicken. I can't on them, they get my chicken right. And your nigga ain't thinking right. Laid up with you, I be missing like I got stuck in pain. Said he got a candlelight. He thought it was cool. I'm trying to enjoy life. I'm trying to enjoy life.
In that confrontation that led to the murder of those two Santa Cruz detectives.
Number one DJ in the world.
Reporting live in Santa Cruz, I'm Thrillin' off ASPW Action News 8.
reporting live in Santa Cruz.
I like the ego gratification of the 1, 2, 3. I like to sign autographs. Say to the bomb, moderate bay under the sun.
831.
Homies always quick to pack a gun. As for me, it's say to the bomb, moderate bay under the sun. Homies always quick to pack a gun. I rolling up like a flip. Bitch, I'm a flip. I ain't rolling a
Boys are like dogs, we just shit and walk away. I say, boys are like dogs, boys are like dogs, boys are like dogs, we just shit and walk away.
831.
I guess we gotta learn shit the hard way.
Real trap shit.
San Jose. Friends down in Monterey Bay. Life is good out
Best DJ in
Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz. Just dropped a new tape, waiting for the feedback. Niggas broke all in their feelings. I just left the UK with hella merch. Yeah, I did a killing.
Real trap shit.
Stacks up, yeah, I keep my shit in rubber bands. Finna take a new trip, really thinking about Japan. I'm a big dog. I'm a big dog.
number one DJ in the world.
831.
And Dan, we're live at Outdoor World on River Street, one of 3 businesses targeted by thieves in less than a month, and all of them sell guns.
I'm trying to see through all the lies and deceit. seat to make intelligent decisions that'll keep me on my feet. But evil words make me straight, and I get caught up in the same shit. Risking my life to represent so enemies know I'm
dangerous.
living that life. This game back in done took its toll. On the outside I'm fine, but inside I'm out of control. Trying to stay out of prison, but the streets will sway my goals. When I lay down to die, who could or evil take my soul? Who could or evil take my soul?
In the Santa Cruz Mountains, and I'm heaven bound.
Madison.
Run the track!
Real trap shit.
That these letters behind me are a blatant lie. That you'll stand and sit there and say, he's hardcore, he's hardcore, he's hardcore. When this time you left you on fire, you selfish son of a bitch.
I'll make you happy, baby. Just fancy it. Love for everything to get me. I'll give 3. Oh, since the day I saw you, I have been waiting on
My bitches play with bread like Togo.
Madison.
Oh, but the go be the logo. Bread like Togo. Oh, but the go be the logo. Your baby mama head like so-so. Death. All to my enemies. I'm riding with 100 rounds pointed at my enemies. I make you got it for the dirty shit. Everything I ever spit, they remember me. This bitch on dope, she don't even wing me. I'm all over the stove trying to yank something. We killers in the bay, we don't fake nothing. Cause when it come to being dope, ain't no competition.
The ones on top.
You sit there and you thump your Bible and you say your prayers and it didn't get you anywhere. Talk about your songs, talk about John 3:16. Austin 3:16 says I just whipped your ass.
Come on, that's not necessary.
All he's got to do is go buy a cheap bottle of Thunderbird and try to dig back some of that courage he had in his prime.
#1 DJ in the world.
Damage has been done. The award is being offered by the group Friends of Lighthouse Field.
Can you dig it, sucker?
#1 DJ in the world.
Flow got you motivated, the dough got you compensated, your hoes got you obligated, fake love you gotta hate, niggas you can tolerate it, crying talking about it sleep, but you walk in the paper, I don't walk and I play it, when I spit it, I play it, and y'all bit it and ate it, I just flipped and remade it, y'all be bit and re-ate it, I don't put I create it, me and the paper brothers, independence related, bitch ass nigga.
Can you dig it, sucker?
You know me, you know I ain't never been a punk. Real killers move in silence like a monk. I'm up my territory like a skunk. Walk on the block, starting to move it out the trunk. Niggas push your coke like CDs. Push your CDs like methamphetamine. Niggas pushing coke like CDs. Pushing CDs like
real trap shit.
Serving more fiends than a fucking gay parade. This a dope game, we still living day to day.
Stinking like a bag of funyuns. That mile pack, I have a nigga missing money. My girlfriend bossy, but I'm her boss man. My girlfriend bossy, but I'm her boss man. You working for the government like Mike.
He's a prolific serial tagger, and he struck areas, dozens of spots in Watsonville and Capitola. While the bus from Action News reporter Felix Cortez is live right now.
Well, police say that accused tagger is responsible for tagging dozens of buildings, but cleanup running in the south.
Get a sack of that purple stuff. Some gin in the bag of that Hillary duck. I'm a pimp, trapped in a gangsta life. I'm gonna fuck around and hurt somebody.
Dozens of spray cans and rollers, police say, to tag buildings around Watsonville and Capitola. Among the targets, a downtown Watsonville church.
Look up in the skies, the bird is a plane, no, it's only me. Dropping nitrogen on your men, leaving them all frozen in a freeze frame.
You know, I think you got the wrong impression about me. I think in all fairness, I should explain to you what I do.
Vandalizing roughly 80 businesses and public buildings, but it was last month.
I'm in my zone and now I'm handling it as they hit it. Who won't come and get it? Ass when I was in that, I did nigga so self-esteem was low. Look at me now, I'm a society, I'm in the ability to go. Silly fuckers trying to trigger me out of position. I'm in my zone and now I'm handling it as they hit it. Who won't come and
Number one DJ in the world.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Santa Cruz County, the sheriff's narcotics team arrested 2 men on drug charges. Following an investigation, detectives searched their motel room on SoCal Avenue, where they found more than a pound of meth, about an ounce of heroin, and 6 grams of psychedelic mushrooms. They also found a loaded 9mm handgun and $14,000 in cash. Police believe that they were packaging the drugs for sale.
This is over 5 pounds of drugs that have been seized this week alone by our narcotics enforcement team. That quantity is a significant amount for our county. And the impact of these 2 arrests are going to have far reach on the drug market in the county.
Number one DJ in the world.
I can't stand life without you.
I'm doing that, you need to go and fix your way. Baby, go, send him dreams. He ain't gon' tease, he wore that for
Young Mac, what's up? Was a boss player from Maryland. Married to Lady Henry. I would call it the first day he got high. Shot up with Sarah 9. Ever since then he was strung. We was hood related by us being both from the slums. Fuck with Cubans back in 81. Pure cocaine and need to touch your tongue to smell it, had your nose numb. He woke up with his face in it. Slow down is what I told him. He had 3 lives to live. He chose a bad one. Way to organize with a lead mind. Controlling mob ties. Flip 100 pods. State strategize. Cops get smacked with cash. How we manipulate.
Yo, you wanna eat off my plate? Have me front you dope so you can eat off my weight. This ain't celebrity fit club, I need all my weight. Yeah, the kicks is in shape. You can't see my face, got my black TV. You can't see what's on my waist. Ain't no gangsters here, I guess I'm in the wrong place. Wrong.
Let's go wild!
Yo, you want it? Buildings get sprayed, graffiti gang is nothing.
Mob in the street, yeah, mob in the street, my president, boy, the goddamn shower. Now, who has the power?
We are beginning tonight with vandals caught on camera in Salinas. An early morning crime that happened on a 7-Eleven on South Main Street just after 2:30 in the morning. Unfortunately for the taggers, who appear to be teens, the store has a rather extensive surveillance system. The entire incident was recorded. Action News reporter Brittany Nielsen is live from the store with more on what could happen next. We are beginning tonight with students at UC Santa Cruz as well as faculty on alert after some threatening graffiti was found on campus.
Now, the message coming from that graffiti was that violence would erupt in the coming days. Madison, lead 'em.
Now the party didn't start till I walked in.
Madison, lead 'em.
Black mask, pull out grass. Black mask, pull out grass. Don't sleep till you know he in the grass. Hit the gas, gold in the flash. Black mask, pull out grass. Black mask, pull out grass. Don't sleep till you know he in the grass. Hit the gas, gold in the flash.
Yeah, it's all funk on this side of town, and you don't wanna be around when it goes down. I shot my gun at a party, now they don't like me. I shot up my gun, will it come back? More than likely. Gotta do the right thing like Spike Lee. The karma catch up 2 times daily and nightly, and you never know when it might be. When you least expect it, fucking up your sight. When I was young, someone shot and they missed me. 1 month later, he got shot, now he's history. Somebody shot him, looks like in the end, the karma got him.
This game is so fake, like the Catholic religion.
Madison, lead 'em.
Fuck with politics.
Please be a little more politically correct.
That karate flip. I'm a boss, kingpin, and on some John Gotti shit. I'm a rich nigga, so you know I talk a lot of shit. Fuck your politics. Throw your age about the barrel, we can make a karate flip.
Madison, lead 'em.
You want him to be my brother? Come on, you fat, bald motherfucker!
How did he know his name?
Wait a minute! Time out!
Madison, lead 'em.
Rise out of this. Rise out of this. Rise out of this. Spend so much time believing all the lies. Keep the dream alive.
Madison, lead 'em.
#1 DJ in the world.
Madison, lead 'em.
It is only when it's at its most dangerous that I'm truly alive! And people say, Cactus, does that mean you're not afraid of anything that I see? No. It means I'm afraid of everything! I'm afraid of everything!
Madison, lead 'em. Madison, lead 'em. Our top story tonight, a major drug and firearms bust in Santa Cruz.
Sheriff's detectives there seized more than $300,000 worth of marijuana and 17 guns, including 8 assault rifles. We first broke the story on Action News Midday. Live in Santa Cruz tonight.
Because the only man sick enough, the only man mentally deranged enough to want to risk it all is Captain Chuck.
Madison, lead 'em. Madison, lead 'em.
Live in Santa Cruz tonight.